Hello, welcome back guys. Let's design a banner for a restaurant website in Canva, a designing platform. Typically the largest website banner would be, click on custom size, will be 720 by 300 pixels, just like this. Once you're done with the dimensions, click on create new design afterwards. Let's say if you want to create a banner for the website of a noodle restaurant. All you do is to click on elements and then you look for noodles just like this, and then you click on photos. Let's say if you want to add this picture of this plate of chow mein, drag it, and then you want to have this picture as well, a bowl of noodles. Remove the background by using this BG remover, which is only available for Canva Pro users. Without Canva Pro, you can remove the background of an image by going to a background remover website. And then let's add some elements once you're done with these plates of noodles. Let's say if you want, let's say, a yellow element, just like this, for example. Head over to graphics. Some images are only available for Canva Pro users, and some others are free to use. Let's say if we want to add this one. Fancy. Alright, let's add it like this. We only want to have the, the yellow elements in it. So I'll right click and then head over to layer and then click on send to back, just like this. And then we're going to be adding more yellow elements in it, just like this. And then you simply put it just like this, for example. That's looking fancy. Now let's add some circular elements. Just like so. And then you can go to graphics. And then maybe you want to add this, for example. Fancy. This will do. And then let's bring this image to the front. Right click, layer, and then bring to front, just like this. Let's add some shadow, shall we? Click here and then click on edit, and then head over to shadows. Choose the drop one, just like this. So it looks just like this. The shadows are under the plate. Same goes here. Click on edit, and then click on edit afterwards. Head over to shadows. Click on drop, just like so, and then you decrease the distance. And then let's add some text elements. Click on text, and then click on add a heading afterwards. You type in tasty, exquisite noodles. Let's change the font to, let's say, a sans serif, just like this, maybe. Up to you, actually. Or as elegant as the seasons. This will do. You can even, hit enter to make a new row, and then you simply do some spacing, just like this. Make it stiff, so it's elegant. And then you can even change the text color to, let's say, this, or maybe to this. This will do, actually. Fancy. And then for this one, let's make it black or dark brown, just like so. Fancy, isn't it? And now you can even add more elements into the restaurant website banner, such as the subheading text, any random text, or maybe you can insert the logo of your restaurant, for example, and then you can even add a promotion section, such as this, buy one get one free, where there will be a text on a rectangular element, just like this. Up to you. And that's how you can design a banner for a restaurant website in Canva, a designing platform. looks cool and elegant. At the same time, you can add more elements into it, but this is just an example. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.